My name is Luis. I am in charge of the business development for BenQ around Europe. BenQ is quite famous in the last years for products like home cinema projectors or LCD monitors for the office application. But in the last 10 years, we have been developing a lot more B2B products for B2B applications, and particularly screens like interactive screens or non-interactive screens. And we are quite unique in the market because today I believe we are the only brand that is combining the latest technologies, but also at the same time to protect the health of the users. For example, almost 8 years ago, we were the first one to introduce in the market the eye care technology, because people today spend a lot of time in front of screens, and this eye care technology with the low blue light feature helps the users to protect their eyes. On top of that, we also launched 7 years ago the first screen with a special coating on the surface, on the interactive screen, that is anti-germ. So the screen is able to destroy the germs that are put on the screen by the users, and it also helps the users in terms of health. And more recently, around 4 years ago, we were also the first brand to introduce in the market specific air quality sensors, and particularly CO2 sensors. And today, as a unique brand in the world, we are combining this technology together with the health protection of the users. Today, I'm here in the Udinese Stadium, a very nice stadium, together with our best partner in this area, Centro Friuli, and I think it's a really perfect match between BenQ and Centro Friuli, because Centro Friuli is known to be a very professional company, to provide an excellent level of service, and this is definitely what BenQ is looking for in terms of partnership, to be strong also in the Italian market, and particularly in the region of Udine. So I'm really pleased, honored, and I really thank Centro Friuli to invite us for this joint event and have all these people here together to discover our new generation of interactive screens.